Before you spend money on pills that come with side effects, there's a natural solution right under your nose, or technically under your belt. This simple massage boosts blood flow, activates key erection nerves, and can help restore performance, safely, naturally, and without medication. Let's get into it. Why pills aren't a long-term solution. ED medications can be helpful, but they don't solve the root cause: poor circulation, pelvic muscle tension, weak nerve signaling, and daily habits that restrict blood flow. Worse, pills can lead to dependency. You might feel like you need them, even when your body is capable of working fine on its own. Massage, the natural alternative. What if instead of tricking your body into an erection, you retrained it to respond better? This massage focuses on the pelvic blood vessels and erection nerves, specifically the pudendal nerve, pelvic floor, and femoral artery. You'll feel more warmth, sensitivity, and firmness, naturally. Step-by-step massage routine. Small blue diamond. Step 1. Inner thigh glide 1 minute. Sit or lie down. Place both palms on the inside of your thighs. Glide upward toward the groin using moderate pressure. 30 seconds per leg. Purpose: open circulation toward the penis. Small blue diamond. Step 2. Hip flexor release 1 minute. Find the soft tissue just inside your hip bone. Apply gentle circular pressure with fingertips. Breathe slowly and hold for 30 seconds each side. Purpose: releases tension that constricts pelvic blood flow. Small blue diamond. Step 3. Perineum pulse 1 minute. Gently press the area between the scrotum and anus, the perineum. Use light pulses or circular motion. Purpose: activates pudendal nerve, critical for erections. Small blue diamond. Step 4. Groin sink 1 minute. Place fingers just above the base of your penis. Apply gentle downward pressure into the pubic region. Hold and release slowly. Purpose: relaxes tight fascia and increases arterial flow. Step 5. Deep breathing plus belly rub 1 minute. Rest both hands just below your navel. Take slow breaths. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. Rub in slow circles. How often and what to expect? Best time: before bed or after a warm shower. Do it 4 to 5 days a week. Within 1 to 2 weeks you may notice improved morning wood, fuller erections, faster response time during intimacy, less reliance on pills or none at all. Don't let performance anxiety or over-the-counter solutions keep you dependent. Your body wants to work, it just needs better signals and blood flow. This massage helps restore what's already there, naturally. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video.